pretty here. Yeah. This is the old bog trail in the new river nature center. Look, there's tracks. They look pretty fresh. Zeus smells something. You smell Zeus. Yeah. Try to get myself feeling better. I had a headache all day yesterday. I was tired. Couldn't sleep the night before. Feeling better. Nature's gonna make us feel even better. What do you think, Zeus? He thinks so too. He wanted out bad. You should have seen him this morning. He was so excited. When I opened the front door, and I told Romeo, stay right there. Well, I let him in because he knows when I leave Romeo at home and take him, we're going somewhere where he can get out for a walk. Yeah, he needed it. And luckily, it's a gorgeous day. So, yeah. Anyway, peace out, everyone.